Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this rust effect with oil paints, artist oil paints, and pan pastels. As you can see, it looks pretty decent for a coal car. The car is built probably in the early 80s, and I'm modeling the mid 80s, so that's this one. And this is one we're going to be working on. This is an older 40-foot car. It's an Athearn car, really nothing special going on here. But I've completed this side, as you can tell, and we're going to do this side. Alright, the first step is we're going to be mixing up, I have the brand Winton oil color, which is by Winsor Newton, yellow ochre, and burnt sienna. And here's the tubes. I don't know if you can see that or not. And then here's the yellow ochre. Basically going to put two little daubs, 50-50 mix, like so, right there. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to mix those two together and kind of get an orangish color. Okay, I'm wipe off the excess on my brush here. Alright, here we go. Here's brush. Kind of just dab it on there. Nothing too special. Not too much. You can always add. It's hard to take it off. Okay. Now that I've done that, I take a large fan brush and this is just going to be a base coat. Just mix it in. So this is just a base coat, just to get a little bit of color on there, see what we're working with. Once you get it blended in, pull your streaks down in a vertical pattern. It'll eliminate any kind of side brush strokes which don't look real. Now that I've got a base color down, I'm going to add a little bit more color. A little too much there on the end. Do not get rid of that. Too much right here. We'll just smudge that off like so. Okay, now that we have the color down, I'm going to stipple the color. No more brush strokes. Stipple, which is just a up and down motion. Stipple that till you can not see any kind of distinct where your brush laid the paint on. Okay. Now we're going to take straight ochre, yellow ochre. Kind of dab it off. You don't want too much. Dab it. And just put little dabs. Just a hint. Not too much. Not too much right there. Remember, you can always add. It's harder to take off, especially at this point. Once again, stipple. Blend that color in. Okay. Let's see. Now you can tell it's kind of got a little bit of a, I don't know if you can really tell or not. Lighting's kind of bad. The reflection's pretty good, but it's got a yellow hue on it now. And spotches, like splotches. So we're going to take a little bit of the burnt sienna now and do the same thing again. stipple once again. Stipple to the point that you can tell there's a color variation, but you cannot tell where you applied it. So basically when you get a hint of the color variation is where you want to stop. You don't want to blend it too much because you'll just blend everything right together. Okay. And that's pretty much it. On the other side here, I've taken, this has been dull coated already, by the way. I've taken black pan pastels and gone over the rivet lines and up on the rib here, up on the top lip, just to highlight it. But that's pretty much the basics. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks.